Welcome everyone, this is Hassan Akhtar Nisar and you are watching 50 Shades of Life. Today's lesson is about the 6 consonant sounds pa, ba, ta, da, ka, ga, right? Pa, ba, ta, da, ka, ga. 6 consonant sounds in the English IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, and they are simple. I would say there is no trick, and these are the sounds which are also found in our Urdu language. So I'm not sure कि आपको इनको pronounce करने में किसी तरह की मुश्किल का सामना करना पड़ेगा. Anyways, we look at them. Pa, pa, similar to the p sound in Urdu, as in parrot or pigeon or please. The only difference is that in Urdu it's simply p, लेकिन इंग्लिश में इस पे थोड़ा सा जैसे 2 आंखों वाली ह होती है ना, वो आपने साथ मिलानी है. प, please, parrot, pigeon, pull. It shouldn't be very clear like a police. No, please. हल्का सा टच होना चाहिए उस 2 आंखों वाली ह का, right? And similarly, b, simple, just like the bay in Urdu, as in bat or ball or bell. The next 2 sounds are t and d. T is similar to the te in Urdu, but थोड़ा सा फर्क ये है कि ट के ऊपर आपने 2 आंखों वाली ह लगा देनी. ठ, tada or tell or tool and table, right? हल्का सा te की बजाय. The next sound is d. This is similar to the dal in Urdu, as in doll or del and delingam. The next is k sound, similar to the calf in Urdu, लेकिन उसमें भी 2 आंखों वाली ह को शामिल करके ख, cattle or colonel or cat, the k sound, right? And the last one is g sound, similar to the gaf in Urdu, as in Gulf of Mexico or garlic and gorgeous, right? So these are the 6 consonant sound and easy to pronounce. Pa, ba, ta, da, ka, ga. Now we look at some sentences for practice, so that you should practice after watching the video, right? So first we will be practicing on the p sound. Please put the parrot and the panda in the pool. I repeat it. Please put the parrot and the panda in the pool. Please give my puppy a poodle haircut. Please give my puppy a poodle haircut. The b sound, as in bag or beautiful. The beautiful baby brushed his brown bag. I repeat it. The beautiful baby brushed his brown bag. Or the busy bee was busy in her cobweb. The busy bee was busy in her cobweb, right? The t sound, as in tell or toll or travel, right? Tom was telling his sister an interesting story. I repeat it. Tom was telling his sister an interesting story. The tall guy was talking to me about the tones. The tall guy was talking to me about the tones. When you pronounce it t instead of t, you sound beautiful. See, the tall guy was telling me about the tones. This is English, but it doesn't sound good. It doesn't make you wanting more, right? So the tall guy was talking to me about the tones. The next is the sound. Tada! This is a phrase or maybe an expression to scare someone. Tada! Tada! I scared you, daddy. Note the d sound. Tada! I scared you, daddy. Or the next sentence could be, her dirty dress drowned her reputation. The 3 d sounds. Her dirty dress drowned her reputation. The next is the k sound. इसको भी आप थोड़ा सा k करके पढ़ेंगे. k की बजाय, यानी उर्दू में काफ की बजाय k. K as in cattle or colonel, right? Katy Perry was kissing the cuckoo bird. Note the k sounds. Katy Perry was kissing the cuckoo bird. The killer kidnapped our kittens from the kernel. The killer kidnapped our kittens from the kernel. The next is the g sound, just like the gaf in Urdu. G as in giggle or gallon. Okay, we look at the sentence. She giggled in the garage and looked gallant. I repeat it. She giggled in the garage and looked gallant. The girl in the ad of Golden Pearl is gorgeous and glamorous. I repeat it. The girl in the Golden Pearl cream is gorgeous and glamorous. Right? So, ladies and gentlemen, these were the 6 consonant sounds, easy to pronounce. You just rehearse them a little so that they should be good enough in your communication. That's it for today. See you next time.